Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna prepare for you some yeast rolls, some homemade yeast rolls. So let me get started. I'm gonna add 3.5 cups of flour to this bowl here. Oops. Oh, that's about a cup and a half there. Okay. Okay. It's 2.5. There's 3 cups of flour there, 3.5 cups of flour. I just noticed my sifter, I got the measurements on it also, so it's about 3.5 cups of flour in here. I have 1 cup of milk in here, and 1 packet of active dry yeast. This is warm milk. I just place it in the microwave for 30 seconds to warm the milk up, okay? 2 teaspoons of sugar I have already added. Now this is regular sugar. I've already added 1 in there, okay? And I'm gonna mix it up. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, okay? I have 2 tablespoons of butter in this cup here. And I'm gonna use 1/4 cup of applesauce, unsweetened applesauce. And I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. There's 1 teaspoon of sea salt. You notice that the yeast has bloomed. It's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and mix that in a few minutes. Okay, I'm gonna add the butter. That's 2 tablespoons of butter in here. 1/4 cup of the applesauce. Okay, that's about it. I'll mix that up. Mix the salt in. And I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of sugar-free sugar. That's with the stevia. Right? Okay, it looks like regular sugar, doesn't it? I'm gonna go with 2 tablespoons sugar-free sugar. And I'm gonna add in the yeast mixture. Okay. And butter. Okay, I added the little flour to the surface here, and I'm gonna go ahead and knead the dough, okay? Don't be afraid to touch the dough. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and place it in this bowl. And I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the microwave. I'm not gonna turn it on or anything, but I'm gonna keep it in there for 1 hour. Cover it with a shower cap, of course a clean one. Okay, and I'm gonna place it in the microwave. The reason I place it in the microwave, that's about the warmest area in the kitchen beside the oven. You can turn the oven on and leave it on warm for like 5 minutes, then turn it off and place it in the oven. But I like using the airtight microwave, okay? I sprayed the parchment paper. It's all ready for the dough. The dough should be coming out of the microwave in about 5 minutes or so, okay? But I got my pan ready to go. First, we have to divide the dough in 12 pieces to place on this parchment paper, okay? And that will have to rise for 40 to 45 minutes, okay? Okay, I'm gonna punch down the dough. All right. And I'm gonna divide it into 12 pieces, okay? Okay, and cut it into 12 pieces. I'm gonna go ahead and make the rolls now. Okay, I have made the rolls. The rolls are ready to be covered at room temperature for 30 to 45 minutes. So let me go ahead and do that, okay? Okay, all right. Gonna wait until 45 minutes. Okay, all right. Here they are. I'm preheating the oven at 375 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and place these in the oven. It's been 45 minutes since I covered them on the counter here. This is some milk I'm placing on the top of them. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and place them in the oven, okay? Okay, I just took the rolls out of the oven. Oh, they are very soft. Nice. Nice and hot. Wow. They look amazing and they smell delicious. I can't wait to try one. I'm gonna go ahead and cut one open. It's probably too hot for me to hold, so let it cool off a little bit and I will cut one. Ooh, let me taste one. It's so hot. That is very good. Very, very good. You have to try this recipe. like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. This is some very nice homemade yeast bread, yeast roll recipe. You have to try it.